Estimating protocols. The first one is this is estimating paper, a series of vertical rulings with a pricing column on the right hand side. It's a single column and we'll fill it in as we progress through. The second one is the header, basement cost plan, and down at the bottom the footer, which is the page number in this case. Protocol number 3 is this is the description column, and we're describing basement excavation, and we're describing it in accordance with the NRM reference, which is 1.1.4.1. The fifth protocol is the dimension column. The dimension column shows the dimensions for the basement excavation, 48 meters by 12 meters by 3.5, with the line underneath to indicate that these three dimensions are a cubic dimension. Number 6 is the squaring column, where these three dimensions, the product of them, are multiplied together to give us 2016 cubic meters. That's transferred over into the units column, number 7, which shows whole integers only, 2016 meters cubed, showing the units as well. 8 is the pricing column, £10 a cubic metre, and 9 is the final price, which is £20,160 and 0 pence. Number 10 indicates that we can put two descriptions together, basement excavation and the disposal of excavated material or cart away. We can put those together using a common set of dimensions. And 11 indicates that these two descriptions are bracketed together with the same set of dimensions. So this bracket puts these two descriptions with one set of dimensions, so that we've got the same dimension for two different descriptions. 12 is the earthwork support, and this now moves into a superficial item. We were measuring cubic here, now we're going to measure superficial, and to do that 12 indicates a series of side casts. We can only use figured dimensions off the drawings, but if we want a particular dimension that comes from figured drawings, we do a side cast. In this case the figured dimension is 4.8 multiplied by 10 gives us a calculated dimension of 48, double underlined, so that we're going to use it. And here is our superficial dimension, the 48, coming from here, transferred to here, times 3.5 is a superficial dimension, just two dimensions with a line underneath it, and the 12 from here to here. The next one, number 13, indicates this far left hand column, the timesing column, where we're multiplying 48 by 3 by 2. So it's twice times 48 by 3.5 and twice times 12 by 3.5. Those come forward to our squaring column of 420 square meters, and that can go in this column here. And so number 14 moves on to the next kind of measurement, cubic, superficial, now linear, and the example we're using is design joints in accordance to 2.1.4.5, and we're measuring 36 times 5. So that's a linear dimension, just a single dimension with a line underneath it, and protocol number 15 adds another further refinement, which is a dotting on process. Our first calculation was 5 times 3. We found 3 more at 36, so we really want 8 times 36. So 3 plus 5 is 8, times 36 is 288 linear meters of design joints. The next item, number 16, adds enumerated items, and we're using pile tests as an example. We've got 4 of them, and you can say 1 times 4, or you can simply write 4 in this column. And finally, we can move on to itemized items, where we've got something that's not actually measured, it's simply described as an item. And this one is dewatering from NRM 1 section 0.4.1.1, and it's an item. And that goes forward into the squaring column also as an item. So that concludes our protocols on how to use estimating paper.